aka Bambino, aka Bino99, obviously, aka Boston Bino as well too. And today I'm coming to you guys with another packaging that I just got from another plug. Shout out to you guys for sending me another pair of stuff to review as well too. Also, huge shout out to Colo Culture, Nailman, Comac Strickland. I appreciate y'all for letting me be a part of your live last Friday. Actually, yeah, I said last Friday. Yesterday. It was a huge humble experience to me, surrounded by the GOATs themselves, you know what I mean, man? And just chopping up with the OGs. It was kind of funny too, because No Man kept on talking. I couldn't really say anything that I really wanted to say, but yeah, No Man, I appreciate you for giving me a boost of confidence and just being you, really. That right there, yeah. Not a lot of people actually go to clubs because they kind of feel like some people don't like them, particularly because of the way how they act. But it's okay. Nobody really cares because it's technically a free society, really. But again, y'all, I thank y'all for letting me be part of your life. You know what I mean? Even though I'm younger and y'all are old, it's okay. It's okay, really. It's really dope too. I hope y'all can let me chop it up again next Friday, so that way it could be much more fun. And then I can say the things I wanted to say. But enough shouting out for the OGs. Today, I got one package from another company. I'm not gonna say the name, but shout out to the company for sending me this pair. This pair I've been trying to get for so long, man. I'm literally hugging the shit out of this package, even though I can crush it. But I really appreciate them for sending me this. To be honest, sending me this, and I couldn't thank them enough for sending me this pair. And this pair means a lot to me, really. So enough chit chat. And also, I'm under the weather today, as you can see behind me in the background. It's raining, it's windy as hell, and yes, it's affecting me. But don't worry, Bino will be back to 100% in no time. Probably about 3 to 7 weeks, but days actually. 3 to 7 days for me to get better. Right now I'm just taking a lot of medicine, even though I don't like it, but I have no choice. But health is most important than content. But enough said of that. Let's get right to this video. We're on the roll now. Let's go. Oh, the one in the game right there on the side of me is the Denver Nuggets playing against the Portland Trailblazers. If you are from Denver, go for the Nuggets, cause I have a feeling they might lose or win. Don't matter. If you are from Portland, go for the Trailblazers, cause they're kicking the Nuggets' ass in the first quarter right now. So yeah, my money's on the Trailblazers, cause Dame is out for a vengeance. All right, what we got right here? Let me just put the scissors aside. So we have a typical Nike box, really typical, really. And you have the back right here as well too. Typical Nike sticker. Other than that, red Nike box. I wish it was orange, but we got red, which is okay. As you can see the front right here. And what's inside right here? Hey, okay, man. We got the Nike Dunk SP Syracuse Dunks, the college pack, man. I've been trying to get this shoe since it came out, man, and L after L after L on the sneakers app has been killing me. Like, literally has been fucking killing me. And excuse my language, but it pays me so much to the fact where, like, one of my favorite shoes to, like, my dream school of all time is literally on a shoe that I love to wear most likely, but every day on a daily basis. I couldn't get, but now since I have them, it's like, yo, shit. Like, it's crazy too. It's absolutely, yeah. I just love this pair. Let me set this box down real quick. Really love this pair, man. Like, for those of you who do not know, a Syracuse product. Yes, what I mean by Syracuse product. I have friends and family that went to Syracuse University. It's a big school. Carmel Anthony went there. Michael Carter Williams went there. Deion Waiters went there. I did not say Deion Sanders. If I did, I'd be really stupid for saying that. But yeah, list goes on and on. O'Shea Brissett went there. Most likely every Syracuse player that went there has a history over there. So yeah, and that was my dream school when I was younger. When I was young Bambino, but now I'm old Bino. Still young but old. You get what I'm saying. But I love how this shoe looks. The shoe has a nice orange tumble leather to it. Even when you play with the tumble leather, like look at this, y'all. Like this is so fucking amazing. When you play with the tumble leather, it just comes back up. Simple as that. It just simply comes back up. And the swoosh of this, the material of the swoosh itself, even on the tongue, it's like firm, but it's in a good way of firm. You know what I mean? Like it's really in a good way of firm. It's smooth. I like it. I mean, yeah, it'll get dirty, but it'll still be there. You know, material won't like mess up or nothing. But all around, I give this shoe basically a 9.9 out of 10. I love this shoe to death. This shoe is really amazing. It basically makes me happy to see a pair of Dunks be inspired by my dream school of all time. And of course, yeah, I got a little bit of marks right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I got a little bit of marks right there. But you know, every shoe has a flaw. Every shoe has its perks to it. But it's okay, really. It's okay. It's normal for every shoe to have something like that, unless it's you know what I mean. But other than that, this shoe is really beautiful. I love this shoe, and I just can't wait to do it on foot for you. We got two shoes right here. See, they look really good in the lighting. I can't lie, they look really amazing in the lighting. Like, yo, who's this? Like, yo, these Dunks is so amazing, bro. Absolutely amazing. And I can't thank this company enough for sending me this. Shout out to y'all. I hope y'all send me more just to review in the near future. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for sure. And if y'all have any questions or any remarks or concerns about this shoe, hit me up on my IG at Bino _ 1999 EST. I can tell you details of the shoe, basically everything. If you want to know, if you want to get into reviewing sneakers, or you just want to know where to get your grills, it's okay. Or you just want to chop it up with me, I'm totally fine with that. Cool. Like, feel free to bother me. I'm always available. I'm always active. You know, 24/7. I don't care. I don't do nothing. So, yeah. But other than that, man, these shoes, I can't even stop holding these. These shoes are so fucking beautiful. And yes, I am wearing a Goku t-shirt. Sorry, that was a nasty snap. Yeah. For those of you who do not know, I am a big Dragon Ball Z fan. Goku is my favorite character of all time. So if y'all saying that any anime characters can beat Goku, you're wrong. Nah, Goku's better than that. Trust me on that one for sure. But yeah. Now, I know what y'all been waiting for, and I'm just gonna cut to the point. Let's get to this on for review. Let's go.